what we have for you today is a 5,000 BTU Whirlpool Kenmore, circa late 80s, early 90s, with the Matsushita rotary compressor. I just cleaned this today. Side panels are nice, good condition. It's in basically mint condition. No rust inside. It was a little bit dirty. Evaporator was clean though. Put a new filter in it. And cleaned it out. That's not mold, that's just the color of the foam. It's like multicolor. I was missing the thermostat knob, so Sears cold spot knob works just fine. I was going to put another one of those. These are metal, by the way, up here, but it didn't line up right, so thought whatever. Not really going to be using this anyway. It's not the most attractive air conditioner from the front, the solid brown with not really too much of a design. It's actually similar to the Chrysler Air Temp front covers, except for the the control setup. It's not ugly, it's just not the most attractive. So let's give it a run. I'll put you by the compressor so you can hear it turn on. It's about 85 out now, and so it should work just fine. It works great. Produces the most condensate I've seen on a lot of units, so it really is a good unit. And before I start that, you can take a look at the data sheet here, as well as just want to let you know, I haven't made too many videos recently, especially on window air conditioners themselves, like in my collection or the ones I own. I have a few I haven't made videos of yet for you guys, and I will film them as soon as I get the chance. My life's been pretty busy, so haven't really had too much time to go fiddle around with my hobbies as well as make videos of them. I got another Kenmore I gotta film, a 70s Kenmore. I need to recharge it first because it's out of 22. Anyway, I'll put you over here so you can hear the rotary compressor turn on. I don't even know if you heard it turn on because it's very quiet. That's low, high. Thermostat's a little bit out of range, and that's like basically every Whirlpool I've ever owned or worked on. The thermostat is always out of range. So I will adjust that. I mean, it's clicking on. It's clicking on. I don't remember where. I don't want to turn it off, somewhere over there. But since it's 85 out, it should be clicking somewhere up there. So we will. I'll fix that. And it's really quiet, like I said. Nice and cold. That's the coil cleaner I used on it. New Calvin. This is the second bottle of this I've used. I usually use New Bright. I've almost always used New Bright. This isn't as strong as New Bright, for sure. I like using this for window air conditioners, and I use New Bright for the split systems, central air. But if a window unit is really bad, I'll use New Bright on it if it's really dirty. Otherwise, this stuff works really nice. You guys should get yourself some of this. It works really well. It doesn't really damage anything like New Bright can. If you don't dilute New Bright enough, or you leave it on too long, it'll eat away at really anything. This doesn't really, it's a non-rinse, but I always suggest rinsing them because it locks a lot of extra shit out of them, But that's some good stuff right there. Y'all should get a bottle of that. Anyway, it's working, it's going nice and cool. Nice speed. I'll come back to you in 10 minutes on the thermometer. Last time I was running it, it was about low 80s, and it was blowing about 47 or something. So I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm running for about almost 10 minutes. I'm 48.9 on low. Be a little bit warmer on high, I'm sure, but yeah, going up about a degree or two. On low, you can actually hear the compressor. Doesn't want to focus on the fan motor, but it's fine. So it's working very well. On high, we're about 52, 51, 52. Focus, please. There we go. That's about it. Show off this one. So now that's no compressor. Still hear the refrigerant flowing. And that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. More videos to come out soon, and hopefully we'll get the upload rate a little bit higher. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one.